Hello dear students. This video is for downloading the IDE for writing your code, building web application, building web forms, the console application, right? So here this is for downloading the latest version of Visual Studio, that is Visual Studio 2019. So for downloading this you have to type visualstudio.microsoft.com/downloads slash, right, or type in Google Visual Studio 2019 download. You will be redirected to this page only, right? So here there are three editions for Visual Studio 2019. The first edition is Community Edition, which is a powerful and free for students, right, and it is open source for contributors and individuals, right? So for downloading this Community Edition, I suggest you have to download this Community Edition, right? Don't go for Professional and Enterprise Edition, right? For downloading this Community Edition you have to log in with your official email IDs, that is the university email IDs @u.ac.in, right? Click on this free download button, right? So on clicking this free download button, an exe will be downloaded, right? And the exe is available here. So I have got a message that thanks for downloading the Visual Studio. Then I have got a pop-up window which it says that if you want to get any tips and tricks regarding the web application services, mobile application, games, desktop application and other services in your email ID, then type your email ID here and select your country, that is India, right, and submit. So you will get all the notifications from Microsoft regarding the web applications, mobile applications, games and other tips and tricks. So you have downloaded this exe, which will be available in downloads, right? I have already download, right? So you have to click on this, click on yes, then click on continue. I've already downloaded and installed. Maybe you will get a different window in installing this Visual Studio. So I have already installed the Visual Studio. So after when you have completed, when you will complete your installation, you will also get this type of window on clicking another time this exe, right? So you will get these options on installation, right? So you have to check the two components here, right? ASP.NET and web development, right? Check this checkbox, and the .NET desktop development, right? So you have to check only these two options and then install the Visual Studio, right? So on installing the Visual Studio, you require a good internet connectivity, right? Or if you are not able to download this version, right, so I will provide you the ISO image or the previous version of Visual Studio, the offline installer of this Visual Studio, right? So on installing this Visual Studio, you will get type Visual Studio here. So you will get this Visual Studio 2019. Open this, so you will get this window. So click on this continue without code. So this is the integrated development environment, the Visual Studio IDE for developing your applications, right? So this is all about the installation process.